Imagine a floating city, a colossal engine, or a meticulously designed vessel carrying precious cargo across vast, unpredictable oceans. How do we ensure these incredible machines and hull, essential to global trade and travel, remain safe, sound, and seaworthy? The answer, my friends, lies in something called class surveys. You might think of it like a regular comprehensive medical checkup, but for a ship. It's an indispensable process that keeps our maritime world running smoothly and safely. So, what exactly are class surveys? At their core, they are a series of inspections and assessments carried out by independent organizations known as classification societies. These societies are non-governmental bodies that establish and maintain technical standards for the construction and operation of ships and offshore structures. Think of them as the guardians of maritime safety and structural integrity. When a ship is built, it's designed and constructed according to the rules set by a classification society. Once completed, it receives its class certificate, essentially its license to operate. But this isn't a one-time deal. To maintain this certificate, the ship must undergo regular stringent surveys throughout its operational life. These surveys come in various forms, each with a specific purpose. First, we have the annual surveys. As the name suggests, these happen every year. They are general inspections to ensure the ship's continued compliance with classification rules and statutory requirements. It's about checking the overall condition, machinery, safety equipment, and making sure all certificates are valid. Then there's the intermediate survey. This is typically more detailed than an annual survey and occurs between the second and third annual surveys. It involves a deeper look at specific areas, particularly those prone to wear and tear. The most comprehensive is the special survey, also known as the Hull and Machinery Survey. This happens every 5 years. It's a massive undertaking, often involving the ship being dry docked. During a special survey, virtually every part of the ship is thoroughly examined. The hull, machinery, piping, electrical systems, safety equipment, and more. It's designed to uncover any significant defects or deterioration. And finally, the bottom survey or docking survey. This occurs every 2.5 to 3 years and specifically focuses on the underwater parts of the hull, propellers, rudder, and other external fittings. Bottom survey is done concurrently with an intermediate or special survey. But why are these surveys so important? Firstly, safety. They directly contribute to the safety of the crew, passengers, and cargo on board. Identifying and rectifying defects prevents accidents, casualties, and environmental disasters. Secondly, environmental protection. Surveys ensure ships comply with international environmental regulations, preventing pollution and protecting our precious marine ecosystems. Thirdly, maintaining asset value. For ship owners, maintaining class ensures the ship remains insurable and marketable, protecting their significant investment. And finally, compliance with international regulations. Many international conventions, like SOLAS, Safety of Life at Sea, and MARPOL, Prevention of Pollution from Ships, mandate that ships maintain their class with an approved society. Class surveys are more than just inspections. They are a cornerstone of maritime safety and efficiency. They represent a global commitment to responsible shipping, ensuring that the vessels connecting our world are as robust, reliable, and safe as humanly possible. So the next time you see a ship gliding across the horizon, remember the unseen guardians and the vital checkups that keep it sailing securely, day after day, across the vast expanse of our oceans. And with this, we have reached the end of our meeting today, hoping to see you soon in other videos where we will explore more details together about marine surveys.